Welcome to TOC class. Today I am going to give an introduction about derivation and how to get a string by using types of derivations. So let us take a production A implies B beta, where beta is a symbol which is derived from the non-terminal capital A with the grammar G. So that is called as derivation. So if you take a derivation, if you consider beta is a derived string from the non-terminal capital A, this beta should contain only terminal symbols in it. That is the first condition for implementing derivation. So there are two approaches are available for deriving the input string from a context-free grammar. One is called recursive inference, which is nothing but we should take the string and try to find or try to derive a starting symbol of the given grammar from it by the substitutions in reverse order. That is called as recursive inference. Derivation is another approach which is starting from a starting symbol, and the body means we should derive a set of terminal symbols from it. That is called as derivation. So this is the definition for recursive inference and derivation. So if you take recursive inference, we are taking a string from each non-terminal that will be concatenated in a proper order. That means the substitution may be from left to right or right to left. And we infer the resultant string. That resultant string should be available in a language of that variable. Then that approach is called as recursive inference. And in another method, if you produce a production from the starting symbol to a set of terminal symbols, that is called as expansion. That notation is called as derivation. There are two types of derivations are available. One is leftmost derivation, which is shortly called as LMD. And another type is rightmost derivation. It's also termed as RMD. The meaning of LMD is, it is a step-by-step method of a derivation which is applied with a production from the leftmost notations onwards. That is called as LMD. Instead of that, if you substitute a rightmost production from the right side onwards, that is called as RMD. So let us take a problem, then you can able to understand the difference between LMD and RMD. So let us take a grammar. E implies E plus E star E, open parenthesis R ID. So there are possibility of 4 productions from the given non-terminal capital E, and we want to derive a string ID plus ID star ID. So I already give the types. One is LMD, another one is RMD. So derivation means it's always starts from head to body. That is the rule for derivation. So in this notation, G is VTPS. So the variable is only one non-terminal which is available at left side. The terminal symbols are plus, star, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, ID. Then productions are 4 productions available. Starting symbol is E. So this is the notation. So I am taking the leftmost derivation, means I should take the starting symbol of the grammar, that is E. Then I want to derive a string ID plus ID star ID. So consider this is a string which contains only set of terminal symbols in it. So these are all the list of terminals in which ID plus star terminal symbols are available. So from the starting symbol, I want to derive ID plus ID star ID. How is it possible? So I am taking E. Then, so this is E. This will be replaced as E plus E. So I write the production. which production you want to use. So E will be derived as E plus E. So in this string, there are two non-terminals are available. I want to substitute from left side onwards. So I am taking first capital E here. After E, the immediate symbol is plus. So plus, the left side contains only one terminal symbol. So this E can be replaced as the fourth production, that is ID. So I want to write that production first. So E will be replaced as ID. Then the remaining steps should be written like this. So in each step you should only replace only one symbol at a time. So this is the terminal symbol, you leave it. Second symbol is the terminal symbol, then you take the third one. So this is capital E. So you should check the final string. It should be ID star ID. So wherever star is available, the second production. So you write the second production here. E can be replaced as E star E. So I am using the production, second production. So I write that production here. So in this given format, you should substitute it as a leftmost derivation. So you should take the leftmost variable E. So ID is terminal, leave it, plus is terminal, leave it. Instead of E, so you take the final output star, star left side immediate value is ID. So this will be replaced with fourth production. So the fourth production is E implies ID. So the remaining are same. Now first symbol is same, second, third is same, fourth is same. So instead of E, you can replace it as ID. Now you just check it out. This will be derived. So this is leftmost derivation. RMD means, so I am taking E. This E can be replaced as E plus E. So E implies E plus E. I am using first production. So you should substitute from right side onwards. So you just check right side, it is capital E. I want to derive a string ID plus ID star ID. Okay. So after plus, how many symbols are there? 3 symbols are there with the symbol as star. So this E should be replaced as E star E. That is the second production. So I substituted from right side onwards. The remaining symbols are E. Now 3 letters are out there. You just go to the right end. They should be replaced as ID. So you should write the production. The remaining symbols are same. You should not change it. So you just write it. Then from the right end onwards, right last value is terminal. Previous value is star. The next one is E. E should be replaced as ID. The remaining symbols are E. Then from the right side onwards, ID, star, ID plus, these are all terminal symbols. So this E should be replaced as ID with the production E implies ID. So now you cross verify it. So in the LMD, I should substitute the right side of that production for each non-terminal symbol from leftmost onwards. If you go for an RMD, you should implement the same substitution from right to left. This is the difference between LMD and RMD. Then next is the sentential form. Sentential form means a set of string that should be derived from a given set of notations, that is called as sentential form. So these are all the list of problems. There are 16 problems are available. So I am taking the third problem for deriving a string. So I want to derive a string AA with these productions. So first you should write the production separately. So S contains 2 productions, A contains 2 productions. So write it separately. Then I want to derive a string AA. So what is your starting symbol? So I am using LMD here. So starting symbol is S. So S will be replaced as either second production or first production. If you use second production, only one symbol can be used, but the expected output should contain 6 symbols. So I should use the first production. So S implies AAS. Here two non-terminals are available. The first left side non-terminal is capital A. The first symbol is A, so it is derived. So this capital A should be replaced with either SBA or BA. You should take the second symbol, that is A. So you cannot use the second production of A. Instead of it, you should use the first production of A, that is SBA. So instead of A, I am using SBA. The remaining symbols are same. So you just write as it is. So A should be replaced as SBA. Then consider there are 3 non-terminals are available. You should substitute from left side onwards. So the first left side symbol is S. So either you can use first production or second production. You just check the second symbol is A. So I substitute the second production. The remaining symbols are same. So I am using the second production. So you write the second production in bracket. So now the first 3 letters are terminal symbols. So it is derived. Then you check the next immediate left side value. It is capital A. So either you can substitute the first production of A or second production of A. I am in need of the fourth symbol is B. So I am using the second production of A. So A implies BA. Here the first 5 letters are derived. So you write as it is. Then this notation contains only one non-terminal S. This will be easily replaced as A. So now I am deriving a string. Do you understand it? This is the LFD method. Then how to construct a parse tree from the previous derivation. This will be discussed in next class. Thank you.